If you're this type of person, you need to meditate. So make sure you stay to the end so that you know if you're this type of person, and I've got a free gift for you that will help you on your meditation journey. Totally free, and it's going to impact your life. So stay to the end. Meditation is something that changed my life. And when I say changed my life, I went from someone who was taking a lot of drugs, who was getting into a lot of fights, who was around a lot of violence, then got caused with anxiety and depression and all these mental health issues because of the drugs. Then I came back out to doing what I'm doing today. So I've been through it. Let's face it, I've been through it. And what was the one thing that I've done from day one of my healing journey to today, this morning, over the last 4 years every day, but over the last 6 years when I probably first started. Now, that is meditation. I'm someone who's would be classed as ADHD, who's got a lot of energy, who can't focus very well. Even when I'm sitting here working with people, I will literally sit and shuffle cards. Reason is, it keeps I don't know what it is, it's just my attention goes places, and I love shuffling cards and constantly fidgeting. So you may be this type of person that can't do anything without this noise of cards, which is really annoying, but I love it and I accept that about myself. And then my sister got me a crystal that it's meant for your thumb, and you like rub your thumb on it. It's just a bit more healing than shuffling cards, and I thought that was quite a cool idea. But effectively, what I'm trying to explain is meditation was the one thing that got me through everything. Reason being is that I can sit there with myself and answer questions. Now, my whole focus on the direction of my channel of where I want it to go is about helping you realize that you are your own healer and you can heal yourself. I'm the person that puts you on that path and sort of opens you up to it. In essence, I distract the conscious mind, work with the subconscious, and help you achieve everything that you want to, and in effect, manifest your perfect life despite your painful past, which is actually the tagline of my book, Kintsugi for the Mind. So go grab yourself a copy as well. But for most people who have ADHD, ADD, can't focus, are too fidgety, they will always use, which I used to use, and I'm going to be honest, I don't have the time to meditate. I can't focus. I can't sit down and focus. I can't do it. I'm never going to be able to do it. But you more than anyone need it. Just like I need it. That's why I do it twice a day. I need to do it. I just have to do it. It's like cleaning your teeth for me. It really is. We clean our teeth every day because we want clean teeth. But do we clean our minds every day? That's the question. And I want to encourage you that yes, the answer is yes, you can clean your mind every day, and it can be fun and it can be interesting. Because so many people get mixed up with meditation and think, oh well, I have to sit and not focus on thoughts. That's not my style of meditation, and that's why you're going to love this style of meditation, because you don't have to not focus on thoughts. Thoughts are always going to be rolling. If you're a Buddhist monk and you've been doing it for 50 years, then of course it's a different story. But currently you're not. Maybe you're training to be a monk, I don't know, but it doesn't matter. All that matters is you can use your focus to go somewhere else that can put you into a trance-like meditative state. For example, I am right now, even with my eyes open, even talking, even looking very conscious, putting myself into a trance-like state. Now, my thoughts are still rolling, and the reason that I'm doing this is all through a state of focus. And you may have heard of something called candle light meditations or candle flame meditations, where you focus on a candle flame. Reason being is it's constantly flickering and moving, so it gives your eyes something to focus on. If you really can't focus, then start there. That's what I would always recommend. But effectively, because I've done it for so long, I can put myself into a trance state very quickly, very easily, and this is why you should do it. Because your mind cannot differentiate between reality and imagination when you are in a trance state. Therefore, you can literally reprogram your mind to think something completely different, to become someone else, just by thought alone. So you're not thinking, you're moving your thoughts to something else. Your focus is changing. Because where focus goes, energy flows. And if you're focusing on what you want to create in your life, which I do most of the time in my meditations, if I'm honest, so my meditations are one of two, usually. Well, one of three. Sometimes it is just quiet meditation where I just want to sit in silence and just focus on my breath and just focus on thought. not thinking, sorry. The other time is where I'm visualizing myself as who I want to become, the actions I want to take, the person that I want to be. And then the third type of meditation is just focusing on changing my energy and shifting it. And then this is based around like feeling certain feelings, really moving into a state of gratitude, which again, I've been able to master to a state of literally, if I sit here with my eyes closed for long enough, I can feel that sensation of gratitude in my body that just raises my energy so much. I get shivers every time I do it, and it just feels amazing. But I can do that now because I've practiced and I've taught myself. And not taught myself, I've learned from loads of people, but I've learned myself and I've been able to develop my practice. So meditation doesn't have to be thinking no thoughts. Meditation genuinely can be just changing your focus to something else which you want to create in your life. Because another form of meditation for me is really questioning. Why is this situation that's happening right now happening? Why are these things happening, and what do I want to happen instead? Whether I want to create something new. For example, the new channel, my new branding on my channel is about manifest your perfect life despite your painful past. I sat in meditation last night trying to figure out what is it that I want to go with, what is the approach I want to go with, and I realized that is exactly it. Because currently I'm living my perfect life. There's things that I want to do, that I want to progress, and I'm going to do that. And I'm going to prove that anyone can live their perfect life, despite what they've been through. And I'm here to prove you that. And my subconscious already knew this. That's the funny thing, because that is the tagline for my book. It's the understanding, and it's what I've helped people do in the past without realizing that the work that I do is a byproduct of getting you to that place. And that's why I want to do that. So if you want an energy alignment session, make sure you book it in the link below and schedule in a call with me so that we can really see where you are, where you want to be, and we can get you to that place very simply. So effectively, if you're the type of person like me, or you're just a person in general, and you feel like you need to de-stress, meditation is for you. If you're the type of person that is watching this video that wants to raise their consciousness, gain more clarity, gain more awareness, meditation is for you. And this is my gift to you. I created a 30-day free meditation challenge on my website. You don't need to pay me anything. You just need to log on to my website. That is it. It's totally free to log on. Go onto my website at www.maxhindle.com/masteryourmind and go and log on, and you get 30 free meditations so that you can practice. And it starts for beginners. Literally 3 minutes is day 1, 4 minutes is day 2, every day increasing by a minute. Very simple and easy for anyone who wants to start meditation. And if you're more advanced, then I would recommend you starting roughly about day 10 or like a 10-minute meditation, just so that if you're already doing it. But when you get to day, I think 23, 24, 25, 26, and 27, maybe, they're the ones about creation of your future. That's where I look forward to hearing your experiences with. So go and get that. Go head over to my website now. But other than that, subscribe.